Okay, I'm back. So, my husband is back in the house, so he took Stella upstairs to keep her busy there. Yeah, it's just like having another baby in the house again. Holy moly. Anyway, so let's get started with the cards. Like I said, these are very easy to make from the looks of it. So we should be able to get them all done. But I'm just gonna make one of each because I like just doing one as per the samples. And then I like going on Pinterest or on our Stampin' Up Facebook group to see alternative projects made with the kits and our same as our paper pumpkin kits. So I'm just gonna make one of each for tonight. This one is the Pretty Peacock backing. So I took all the pieces out already to make this go faster. You're gonna fold your card base in half, and if you have a bone folder, this is what you would use. So if you don't, I've used a spoon when I was at the cottage and I forgot my bone folder. That's what I did, and it just makes it a nice crisp fold. So then here, and I'm gonna show you as I go on the instructions. You're taking that lemon lime color, and you're gonna put 3 strips of the double-sided tape, which we call the tearing tape, and we're gonna put 3 strips there because this will go on the top. So you don't want to put glue on the back of this one because I noticed that if you put it here, it will glue on the back. So anyway, we'll do it just like the sample says. And so let's say here, so you just rip this off. It's very sticky. I'll put one in the middle, press it down, then one on the top. Doesn't matter if it's not straight, don't worry. And you won't see this. This is just your glue. Okay. And then you just peel this back, the top white piece, garbage. You do that on all 3 of them. I hope you don't have a shadow on here. I kind of see a shadow. I don't know if you guys get that too on your screen. So just make sure you're following the picture. As you see, the roses are on the top right there. There's a blank piece right on the bottom. That's going to be for your tag. So I'm just going to bring it close to my eyes so I can see if I'm doing this straight. Hold on. And I would say right there. Looks pretty straight. A little crooked. I'll try to pull on it. There you go. Okay. So you see what I mean? You won't, if you would have put glued all around it, you would get it on the tip. Now, so that was step 1. Step 2, flip it over, and then you put dimensionals in each corner and in the center. So that is this sheet here. And that, if you never use dimensionals, it's double-sided as well. So you take it off, just peel it off your sheet here. Like that. And one in the middle. And then you're gonna flip it over and place it on your card base. It's gonna go like this, but to make it sticky, you gotta peel off the other backing. It's just like that roll that we used before. And pick it up like this, and they just have it centered on it. Like I say, you don't have to do it exactly the same, but if you're a beginner, I know a lot of you would want to do the exact same as the sample. So This is the one. Oh yeah, I wanted to do them all in French. Hold on. I see that I took the English one. I want to make French cards. There. Okay, so now with the tag, it's showing the step 3. Cut 14 inches of the gold trim. So that was that roll. And I'm glad I didn't do it on the video because I couldn't find the start of the roll. So I had to really play with it and pull it all out. So I pre-cut my pieces. So if you don't have a ruler, no worries. Look at this. That would be over here. It's got in the inches on one side, so it goes all the way to 9 inch. So just put your string on top of it to 9 inch and then add the other 3 or 4 inches more. And then if you use centimeters, it would be on this end. So it's showing 14 inches of the gold trim, and put 2 dimensionals in the back of your greeting. So we'll put 2 of those on there. There, and 1 over here. And now it's saying kind of make a bow. You can, oh, and I would pull one out. So we want the bow is going to show up on the right side. So that's what they did. They took this one off, and then just kind of crisscross. Press on it, it'll be sticky. And do another loop, just like that. And then take this one off. And I will put one in the middle. Just because it's a very long tag, so. And go like this. Let's see, you put it to the edge of the green. From the looks of it, that's the size of it. And there you go. First card is done. And if you find this is too long, you can trim it. I think it is. Let's take a little bit off. And the tag is done. And there's one more step, is the bling. So this is these little sequins. So if you want to do like them, bring it up here. I see 2. Oh, the other one is up here. So you always do it in a triangle and always in odd numbers. If you're putting 2, you got to put a 3rd one. So I'm just going to use my little pick a tool here to lift it off. So I'm going to take the glue. Did it come off? Yeah, it's there. Okay. Put one here, and I'll put the large one. You can see that there's 2 sizes. So take a large one, put it here, and I'll take another small one and put it up here. And there you go. First card done. That was quick, eh? So we put that away for now. Clean up again. Put this over there, and let's go to card number 2. So it's showing that on the white piece, you put 3 strips of the glue. So I got the pieces here. Take all the, that's what I would do if you were making all of them. Separate them and do all this. Put all the pieces together and then go from there. So we're going to do this too. So this can be standing like that. Find the end of this right there. And like I said before, if you have liquid glue or your adhesive, your Stampin' Seal, something like that, you can just use that. If you don't have to use these. But they always include the adhesives in your kit, so that's so that it's great for beginners. My card is dirty. There you go. And 3. Okay, so peel these off. That. And this one. There. Oh, before I do that, I gotta fold my card base. Yeah, if you have a spoon, if you don't have one of these, just use the back of the teaspoon. Okay, so I like doing it exactly like the sample that's there, at least for the first one. Right there, that looks straight enough for me. So that was number 1 step. Number 2, cut 16" of the gold trim. There's there. And I did that. Now in the back of this, you put dimensionals. Let's see. You got one over here, here, one here, and one here, and they got one like there. You could even just put some like your tape runner right on the cardstock if you wanted to glue it. So I'm just gonna take that one off first. I just got over a sinus infection and I think I'm starting again. I don't think it went all the way. It didn't totally leave. I had antibiotics and everything, but there, I think I do need more vitamins. Let's see. No, I didn't do that right. Let's try that again. I'm gonna make a bow this time. But yeah, that's why I haven't been doing videos lately. We had a new puppy since the end of January, and this is not going. Let's try. I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm not pulling tight enough. There we go. Yeah, so we got this puppy in the last weekend of January. Her name is Stella, and then I've been sick, so I've been not feeling like doing videos. Okay, let's try this. Put that like that. There we go. And now you can pull these off. And it goes on the card. Oh, I did this one in English too. Shoot. Oh well, I'll have 2 French and 1 English. So they just put it in the center of the printed leaves. And now they show here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got 2 over here and 3 in that corner. Where did I put my bling? Oh, over there. They got 2 big ones. So you'll put 1 in each corner. I'll go right there. A small one over, let's say, over here. And a big one over here. And let's see, 1 there, small one. Like I said, the rule is try to make it a triangle. So this is this card number 2. Isn't that pretty? Love, love it. And yeah, I actually got one in the mail from my team leader last week. This is the one she sent me. Oh, I lost one of these on there. This is the one she sent me. I feel so blessed to have a wonderful, kind, and amazing friend like you. So this was from Evelyn. She just said thank you for everything I do and help with her. And she had a surgery and did little things. Just things you normally would do for a friend. So the card number 3 is, that one looks like it's pretty easy. So we'll fold this. And this one is in French, so flip it over and make 3, put 3 of these dimensionals. 1, 2, and when it's a circle, I always try to do it, put it as a triangle. That way, when you're flipping it over, it's very balanced. It's not like if you would put like all on one side, one would lift. So just try to keep remembering this part. So we'll try this again. Little bow. There, let's see. Nope, pull this one. I'm gonna bring it in front of me. It's hard to do it on the front of the camera that low. Actually, let's just do this. Take these off. And I'll do like the first one. So have one sticking out. Kind of doing like a 8. And right there. Does that look good? Yeah. So just glue it to your card. You can put it wherever you want. There you go. And now the bling, they've got 5 of them. So the same idea, 3 on one side and 2 on the other. I would put it in the white parts because it's very busy over here anyways. And let's see, one over here. And I'll put a big one here. A small one. Let's go. Yeah, let's go inside the ribbon. Why not? And that's it. This one was really quick to make. Now you can just add some stamps that you have, like if you have any greetings for inside cards, or you can leave it blank till you have a need for the card. So that is it, my friends. You just made 3 cards out of the 9 of the kit. So when I'm done, I will have all these done, and I showed you the envelopes before. So you don't even have to decorate these envelopes. They coordinate with the card already. And just send that in the mail to your friends. Let them know you care. Let's see, get this one ready. And if you're interested in this kit, they are only $20 Canadian. Not sure how much it is in the States or all the other countries, but in Canada, they're $20 for the kit, so you get to make 9 cards with it. And the number for it is 163235. And it's called Painted Wishes Kit. So $20 Canadian, and you get to do 3 beautiful, elegant cards. And you get to make 3 of each. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.